Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to I Am Organic Gardening. I'm located in Zone 7 in the state of New Jersey, and today is going to be a hot one, over 100 degrees today. It is just terrible outside, but I got some great news for you. I found some swimming miniature hot dogs in my garden soil, and I'm going to take a sample and I'm going to show you that what I discovered inside my soil, this is not fake. I got this recorded on video that you can see what I see, these miniature swimming hot dogs in my garden soil underneath my tomato plants and also my pumpkin plant. This is insane. So let's go inside because it's just too warm outside today. Everything is drying out, and I'll show you these miniature swimming hot dogs. So what I'm showing you here is a screen on my computer that I have hooked up to my microscope with a camera. And just look at this corner over here where my finger is, and there you'll see that swimming hot dog, miniature hot dog, come across the screen. It's going to go from that corner up to the top. It's very quick, but interesting. Here we go. Let's see if we can get it. It's on video. Here it is, there it goes. Unbelievable. We're gonna start on this side where my finger is, and it's gonna swim across from there to the opposite side. So here's another one, because I wanna show you there's more than one. Oh, here we go. And there it goes. Showing you here my new microscope, and you can see the wire coming off the top, and that's where the camera is, and it looks down right into the middle of the microscope, and that's where I'm filming it from. It records and goes right to the computer. And yes, I'm both a garden nerd and a farming nerd. I have a 22-acre organic farm, and I love it because it saves me money learning about soil science and microbes in the soil. The real name of that is called rod-shaped bacteria, and that's a good type of bacteria. There are bad ones, but mostly they're good ones in the soil and is helping my plant grow. They are looking for food, and they will eat that food, meaning organic matter, and then something else will eat them, and then they poop that out, and that is fertilizer to the plants, and that's what makes those plants nice and strong. That beautiful bacteria that you see, that's in our ground. Now there's also bad, but there's all different kinds of groups and all kinds of species that are out there, and we're going to look into it more and find out more about this in the future. So I hope you enjoy looking at that rod-shaped bacteria, or miniature swimming hot dogs, and that is only just a small little part of our soil that we grow in our ground with the bacteria in it to help produce nutrient-dense food. This is another thing I caught on the video, is this is called a nematode. That's what's swimming around very fast, and that will eat bacteria and also fungi, and then when it does, it eats it and poops it out, and it makes nutrient-dense plant food for our plants. Just amazing. Also discovered, what we're looking at down here, this strand is fungi. That's what grows in your soil. That also opens up your soil so your nematodes and also that rod-shaped bacteria can move around in the soil. That is a soil particle right there, and that will open up your soil to create little passageways. This is at 400 magnification. That's how small this is in your soil, that living soil. And this is so fascinating because this is what's been going on in your garden on this planet for billions of years, since time started. All this fungi grows in your soil at very small strands to open your soil up. I want to thank you so very much for watching this video, and please subscribe, and please also like the video, give it a good thumbs up. I know it's short, but I just want to keep it short and keep you interested in knowing the microbes in the soil is everything. They contribute so much. They contribute to 99% of your plant growth. It's just truly amazing. It helps you. So let's get into it and enjoy more videos together. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you use mulch or what type of mulch you're doing, this all helps those bacteria and fungi grow in your soil. So happy gardening and happy soil growing. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.